Hello, everybody. I can evaluate special angles multiple choice by typing in the original problem, typing in each answer, and matching them up. That's if it's multiple choice. That's way faster and easier. Or I can use the QSFR procedure. Until they start giving us these open response, we're just going to make sure we can do it multiple choice, but we'll go over it open response as well. It wants the exact value of cosine of 5 pi over 6, so let's find out what the value of cosine 5 pi over 6 is. Let's go to my calculator. Let's go make sure we're in radian mode, which I am. Let's go cosine alpha x 5 pi over 6. I've got negative 0.866 dot dot dot. And now I'm going to type in each answer. Well, it can't be the positive ones. It really can't be negative 1/2. I'm only left with one thing there, but we can go through the process. Negative radical 3 over 2, negative 0.866, done. Number 2, what's the exact value of cosine of 3 pi over 4? Well, let's go to my calculator. Let's type in cosine of 3 pi over 4. Negative 0.707 dot dot dot. So it can't be positive. So is it negative rad 3 over 2 or negative rad 2 over 2? Let's type it in to find out. Negative rad 3 over 2 is negative 0.866. I should have known that from the last problem. And negative radical 2 over 2 is negative 0.07707. That one matches up. That's your answer. So if it's multiple choice, just type in the original problem, type in each answer, match it up. If it's not, and I have a more longer video of this, but for Regents review, which is the goal of this video right now, I really want to focus more on the multiple choice. But if it's open response or we don't want to do it this way because we're too cool for that, QSFR. I need to start by converting this to degrees because in algebra 2, I think in degrees. So it's cosine of 5 times 180 over 6. 5 times 180 over 6. Whenever you see radians in this course, I suggest you just convert to degrees. I'm going to sketch 150 on the grid, 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. 150 is between 90 and 180, a little bit closer to 180. The reference angle is always the acute angle formed with the x-axis. My reference angle is 30. All students take calculus. So now I do my QSFR procedure. I'm in quadrant 2. My trig function is cosine. In this quadrant, cosine is negative. My reference angle is 30. I have negative cosine 30. I go to my table of special values, which you at some point were trained to create. Cosine of 30 is radical 3 over 2, so it's negative radical 3 over 2. I'll do that one more time. Why not? Cosine of 3 pi over 4, I start by converting to degrees. 3 times 180 over 4. I don't feel like putting the calculator up. It's 135. 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. 135 is in quadrant 2. 135. Reference angle is 45. All students take calculus. QSFR, quadrant 2, trig functions cosine, which is negative in this quadrant. Reference angle is 45. Negative cosine of 45 is negative radical 2 over 2. So listen, if you know how to do it, it's not bad, but if you don't, there's a lot of little pieces that go into it. At this point, April of 2025, until things change, If you see this, type it into the calculator, type this into the calculator, see if it matches up. Goodbye.